gentlemen, we're the final four band here. Welcome to our first set for tonight. It's a very beautiful, lovely evening here this evening. Hope you can enjoy your favorite kind of music with us. And of course, we would like to introduce ourselves here. For our keyboard this time, here's Roberto. And on guitar, and of course, the second vocals here in the group, I'd like to introduce to you Paulino. All right, and behind the beat of this drums, we'd like to introduce to you chords. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're the band called The Final Four. And to open up, we'd like to give you a song from Manhattan Transfer.
Just about the ball from New York City. Ooh, come on, kitty. Just about the ball from New York City.
He's really tall. He's really fine. Someday I hope to make him mine. And he's sweet and oh so sweet. Just the way he looked at me swept me off my feet. Ooh, you want to come and see how we walk, and how we talk.
Cool, cool kitty. Just about the ball from New York City.
He's really down, and he's no clown. He was the funniest penthouse I've ever seen in town. And he's cute in a mohair suit, and keep his pockets full of spending loot. You ought to come and see how it walks, how it talks. Every time he says he loves me, just bend down and smile. Every time he walks and kisses me, oh, it makes me feel so fine. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That boy can dance and make romance. Let's spend it there in love in just one glance. And his shirt and someone's eyes.
Cool, cool kitty. Just about the ball from New York City.
The boy from New York City.
From New York City.
Oh yeah,
Cool, cool
talking about the boy from New York City.
Cool, cool kitty. Jumps about the bar from New York City.
Spring was never waiting for us, girl. It ran one step ahead as we followed in the dance. Between the parted pages and we pressed in love's hot fervent iron like a striped pair of pants. MacArthur Park is melting in the dark. All the sweet cream icing flowing down. Someone left the cake out in the rain. I don't think that I can take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it, and I'll never have that recipe again. Oh no, I still see the yellow cotton dress forming like a wave on the ground around your knees. And the birds like tender babies on your hand, and old man play checkers up the tree. MacArthur Park is melting in the dark. All the sweet green acid flowing down. Someone left the cake out in the rain. I don't think that I can take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it, and I'll never have the recipe again. Oh, I will drink the wine while it is warm, and never let you catch me looking at the sun. Oh, but after all the loves of my life, after all the love, after all the loves of my life, you still be the one.
Take my life into my hand, and I will use it. I will bring the worship in your eyes, and I will lose it.
I will have all the things that I desire. Passions flow like a rivers in the sky. Yeah. Oh, but after all the loves of my life, whoa, after all the loves of my life, you still gonna be the one. Baby, you keep wondering, wanna know why. The park is melting in the dark. All the sweet green acid flowing down. Someone left the cake in the rain. I don't think that I can take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it, and I'll never have that recipe again. Oh no, oh no. My love, I'll never find words, my love, to tell you how I feel, my love. Mere words could not explain.
Only you cared when I needed a friend. Believe in me through thick and thin.
This song is for you, filled with gratitude.
And love.
God bless you. You make me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. You make me feel brand new. I sing this song for you.
Make me feel brand new.
My love, whenever I was insecure, you built me up and made me sure. You gave my pride back to me. Precious friend, with you I always had a friend. You're someone who I can depend to walk up at that sometimes bed.
Without you